Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I have a cool application that you should install on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this is an official app from Samsung. So it is available in the form of Good Lock module on the Galaxy Store. I have shared the link in description, you can check it out. And if Good Lock is not available for your region, you can check out this video on how to change region of your Galaxy Store. It's a simple process that can help you to install Good Lock module on your phone. Just search for RegiStar on the Galaxy Store. After installing RegiStar, open Good Lock module and tap on Life Up, present here. Now you will see RegiStar, tap it. And here we have some awesome settings to try out. First you can show or hide some settings which are present in this menu, which is Samsung's official settings menu. But my favorite section is present here, where you can assign any app or shortcut just by double tapping or triple tapping on the back of your phone. For example, if I choose double tap, and now I can assign take a screenshot. Now if I double tap on the back of my phone, a screenshot will be taken. In the same way, you can assign any app or setting to triple tap. For example, here if I choose show recent apps in triple tap menu, and once again if I triple tap on the back of my phone, now you can see that this recent apps shortcut has been activated. So it's a really handy setting that is just like back tap feature from iPhone. The best thing is that it even works with my phone case. Plus it's an official app from Samsung, so you don't have to worry about any kind of issue. Moving on to the next setting, it is side key press and hold action. This basically allows you to assign any gesture or shortcut to your side key, which was not possible with our stock settings app. So if I enable this setting and choose this option present here, I can once again take a screenshot just by long pressing on the side key. This is really useful for those people who want to take a screenshot with just one hand. But here let's choose turn on or off flashlight. So now if I long press the side key, you can see that flashlight is turning on. And to turn it off, just once again long press side key. Further, you can also add any app that you like to the side key. So this was RegiStar that you should check out on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is a really handy app that is available totally free. Subscribe for more tips and tricks and don't forget to drop a thumbs up. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.